Forget boring mince, this Thai pork larb is fresh, zesty, spicy, healthy, and seriously addictive. Crispy pork mince tossed with ginger, chilli, toasted rice and lime, then parred into lovely crunchy lettuce cups. Trust me when I tell you, these are a flavour sensation that are hard to put down. So our second Asian-inspired pork mince recipe of the week, and this one is an absolute cracker. It is perfect for sharing, putting in the middle of the table, everyone digging in, loading up their lettuce cups and enjoying. And this is considered the national dish of Laos and is really, really popular all over Northern Thailand, and I'm sure it will be really popular with you guys too. So let's get started. What we want to do is actually get some rice cooking. So I've just got myself a pan here, and I'm using 150 grams here of basmati rice, so straight into our pan, and then double the amount of boiling water. So I'm using my little Halloween mug here. So I'm going to pour that in, and that can go on the hob and cook it as per pack instructions. Next, you're going to need a wok or a pan, and we need to get our pork mince cooking. Now, if you saw Tuesday's recipe, it was my Asian style pork taco dumplings, and I used 250 grams of that 5% pork mince, and today I'm using the other half of the pack. And we want to put that into this pan, but first just add a little touch of olive oil. We want to help it along its way, not too much, probably about a teaspoon in there, and then get your mince in. That's it, into the pan, listen for that sizzle, get your spoon, and you want to break this all up. You want to cook this really for about 4 to 5 minutes or until that pork starts to go nice and caramelised. Okay, that's at about 5 minutes, and as you can see, that's starting to caramelise up nicely. So I just want to remove that from the pan now. And we're just going to keep this to one side till we need it again. That's it. And then pan back on the heat, a little bit more of the olive oil, not too much. And then we're going easy, cheap version again today. So I'm going in with some of our lemongrass paste. This stuff is really convenient. And I want about a teaspoon of that straight into your oil. And then again, with the mix, this is the ginger and garlic paste. Again, if you want to chop up fresh, by all means do that. But I had these, they're open, and I think you have to use them within sort of 3 weeks or something. So I might as well make the most of it and get that cooking on there. That's it. And then to that, I'm adding 1 chopped or sliced red chilli. Add more if you want. Actually, I want a little bit more in there. I've got 3 spring onions, which I've just sliced. A small bunch of chopped mint, and a small bunch of chopped coriander, and just mix that all in. Let it cook out for about 30 seconds or so. Oh wow, the aromas are amazing. Okay, so that's had 30 seconds or so. I'm going in with some fish sauce, and I want about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce in here. Love the old fish sauce. Stir that through again. You want to then squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. Love the addition of the lime. It's going to add a real zinginess to the flavour of this dish for sure. Get it all out. Again, mix that around. Next, we're going to reintroduce our pork mince. Stir that through again. And then spoon by spoon, we want to add in our cooked rice. So break it up, incorporate it, and then add another spoon, and keep repeating that until all of your rice is back into the mix. And that's it, our last bit of rice in, and I'm just going to allow this to cook now for about another 2 minutes. Okay, so we are ready to go. Our rice is nicely toasted now. Here I've got a little platter dish with some baby gem lettuce leaves, and let's plate this up. Just spoon your pork lard in the middle there. Family style. Love it. Oh, cannot wait to tuck into this. Do you know what? That will probably do us for the moment. You can always add more. I then just like to garnish it with a little bit more sort of chopped chilli around and about. A little more of our chopped mint and coriander. Love mint and coriander. And then just dash around a few wedges of lime as well, so everyone can squeeze over as they are tucking in. And there we have it, my Asian-inspired Thai pork larb. Let's give it a go. Wow, smells absolutely amazing. It looks great. I'm hoping it will taste great too. And guys, if you're not a pork fan, switch the pork out. You could use, again, like I said on Tuesday's video, you could use chicken mince, turkey mince, you could use pork mince. I actually think in Thailand, they also use duck. So if you're feeling a little bit fancy, you could certainly go the duck route. But I have to say, pork mince compared to beef mince at the moment is great value for money. A pack, a 500-gram pack, I got mine from Sainsbury's and it was £2.55 and it fed 4/5 of us last night, and then this is going to feed at least 4 of us again tonight. Of course, you're adding in the other ingredients, but actually pretty inexpensive ingredients, so a little goes a long way. Anyway, enough nattering. Let's get one of our rice cups. I've got myself an implement here to fill one up. Now, I like it as is. Some people, like my son and daughter, they like to add a little bit of soy sauce. I'm not a big fan. I like it as it is. I think it's got plenty of flavour going on in there, but I do like a little squeeze of that lime over the top too. Let's give it a go. Down the hatch. Wow. That is so zingy. That lime juice is really popping in there, which is great because I picked another chilli, which seems to be the hottest one in the pack. Not too hot, but that lime definitely helps tone it down somewhat. The mint, again, just works beautifully. I love mint and I love coriander. Again, if you're not a coriander fan, leave it out of this recipe. You could replace it with parsley if you wanted to, or just leave it out altogether. But wow, these are an absolute delight. I could eat a lot of those. It's just a great family style dinner. Put that in the middle of the table, everyone dig in, and if you want to serve it with some other accompaniments, happy days. But I don't think it needs it. I think it works perfectly on its own, and it's actually surprisingly healthy. There we go. Guys, that's it from me for today. Our second pork mince recipe done, and how quick was that? I'd say it's equally as quick as Tuesday's video, our lovely little pork taco dumplings. Super easy. Guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please do also like, share, comment. You got a hype button? I'd love one of those too. It really does help the channel. I'll put all of the details of today's speedy Thai pork larb down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.